Hello everyone. Uh, this is my second video. Well, the fact is that I am, hearing from different sources that the institute people, the institute members, they are not replying to the texts or the calls or the messages that people are asking for an explanation regarding the delay of the examination and so on. Well, the situation is extremely unfortunate, no doubt, because nobody knows the exact reason, though we all are aware of it, but still, no official notification has come out as to exactly what is the reason for this delay or the debacle in conducting the examination, or the merger of the examination. This was seriously not warranted. Well, by the grace of God, I have received a reply from a very senior Central Council member, but I do not wish to say anything on my behalf because I might be held responsible for anything that I will be saying on this platform. Because if that person says that no, I did not say or anything because I don't have a recorded session or a recorded, you know, call recording or anything, I don't have anything of those, so I cannot say you anything officially. I will not do these kind of controversies at all, but I have received a response from a very senior Central Council member. I am extremely thankful to him, but whatever be the justification, what happened, this cannot be justified in such an easy way, in such an easy manner. This is just not justifiable. Not only the institute, I keep on saying this again and again, not only the institute that is at fault, it is a few so-called CMA members also. Just when the merger of the examinations were announced, a few, not a few, one of them especially, I'm extremely angry on that CMA YouTuber. I'm saying this again and again. He commented something like, "So good news, the exams have been postponed and they are merged together." I saw his video one day back, but right now I could not, I cannot find his video anymore. Otherwise, I would have tagged him before or after this video session, but I am not being able to do because I think maybe he has deleted that video or he has done something. Again, I am saying to that YouTuber, I will take your name very soon, don't worry about that, but please use your mind or else leave out the CMA degree that you have earned. If you are not using your mind, there is no use of writing the CMA degree before or after your name. Don't do that, because you are a disgrace to the CMA Institute. Because of you, the CMA profession is degrading. Because of you and a few others like you. We don't need you. Trust me, the CMA Institute does not need flatterers like you, YouTuber. This is specifically for you. Please understand this. The next time if I see your video, you are misleading or misguiding, I will tag your name along with my video. Then let's see what happens. You cannot say that you have freedom of speech, freedom of thought. No, you have that. That is a different concept. You are misguiding public. You are misguiding people. That is wrong. So let's see. The next time I see your videos, I will tag you up. I will bring you up in front of the entire world, and I will question on whatever you are saying. Let's see how you answer. Till that time, the situation is unfortunate, no doubt. We all have to stay together. The CMA professionals, the inter students, the finalists, we all have to stay together. And I request the CMA council members to come up and give a justification in front of all, so that at least we have something to say to our family or anybody else or to the society where we live, because too much defamation is going on right now for the CMA Institute. I hope that you will understand. Thank you so much.